Hi, and welcome to Office 365 and Teams training. Today I'm going to be discussing Office 365 and Teams, and I'll go through what is included in your Office 365 suite and how you can access these different apps. I'm going to start on the Carmel Schools homepage, and you'll see there is a Microsoft 365 or Office 365 icon. And once in, I will click, and it'll bring me to my Microsoft Online Office homepage. There you'll see recommended attachments from anything that you have done or emails that you have been sent or anything that is shared with you on your OneDrive. And in the left-hand corner, you'll see all your apps are here. You can also click in the upper left-hand corner, which is the app launcher, or as we call it, is the waffle. And once you click on the waffle, you'll see that you have access to all your Office 365 apps, such as Outlook, which is your email, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. You can access the OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, Forms, Sway, Bookings, and Teams. Teams is a very, very important app for us, and I'll go into that later on in this video. Another way you can access your Office 365 suite is when you sign in. You will be brought to the main page, the Carmel Central School District main page, and you also get a class link, which you can sign in through class link. It'll bring you to our class link apps, but it also will open Office 365 as well. So once you open class link, you'll get Office 365, which will bring you right back to where you were. And now once we've learned how to use our Office 365, we could focus on one of the main apps, which is Teams. As you can see, your Teams app is right here. But if I wanted to click on the waffle, I could join my Teams. Once I click on the Teams app, it'll show you all the teams that you are in. So this would be where your teachers are, right? Your different subjects would be in. And you could use the left bar, right, which shows activities, your assignments, your teams, a calendar, files are all here. If I click on one of my teams, and I'll go in Mr. Dwyer's class, it'll show you your posts. So this is where all important information such as your assignments or a reflection or due now or an exit ticket might be. At the top, you also see files. If I click on files, that'll bring me to all important documents that my teacher has uploaded. On the left-hand side, you'll see Mr. Dwyer's class, right? We have class notebook, which would be where you would keep your notes, or possibly your teacher would give out handouts. We have assignments. That's where all my assignments would be. We also have grades. This is where all my grades would be posted. And we also have general, right, in our channels. And the teacher could put up different channels for you for different subjects or different handouts or whatever they would like to do. You can also access your Teams from your desktop. You can click on the desktop app, Microsoft Teams. I double clicked, and it'll launch the same thing we just looked at, but in an app. Some people might prefer this. Same thing, it looks exactly the same. I'll click on Mr. Dwyer's class. Looks exactly the same setup. It's just the app for this. Once again, Office 365 and Teams are a very important part to this Carmel Central School District, and being able to navigate this and use these apps inside of Office 365, including Teams, are very important to your time here at Carmel.